Welcome student in Christchurch Convent Digi classes, subject chemistry, class 11, chapter 1st, date 3rd August 2020. Today we'll see main postulates of Dalton atomic theory. This is very important theory in the field of chemistry given by John Dalton, and it is almost valid for 100 years. Now the first postulate of Dalton atomic theory is that first one is matter consists of indivisible atoms. That means पदार्थ जो है वो अविभाज्य परमाणुओं से मिलके बना होता है. Atom is the smallest unit of substance as per John Dalton. But literally the word atom means that cannot be further divided or cut. But nowadays atom is divided into subatomic particles. Second is all the atoms of a given element have identical properties. All the atoms of a given element have identical properties including identical mass. As per John Dalton, all the atoms of a given element, किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट के सभी एटम जो हैं वो सर्वसम होते हैं, मास उनका एक सा होता है और एटम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट डिफर इन मास, और अलग अलग एलिमेंट के एटम्स अलग अलग होते हैं और उनका मास भी अलग अलग होता है. कंपाउंड्स आर फॉर्म्ड व्हेन एटम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट कंबाइन इन अ फिक्स्ड रेशियो. For example, two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen and form water. And if two atoms of hydrogen combine with two atoms of oxygen, then hydrogen peroxide is formed. The next important postulate of Dalton atomic theory is chemical reactions involve reorganization of atoms. किसी रासायनिक अभिक्रिया के दौरान परमाणुओं का पुनर्संगठन या रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता है. And these are neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. So this point of Dalton atomic theory agrees to first law of chemical combination, is that matter cannot be created or cannot be destroyed. Law of indestructibility of matter or law of conservation of mass. Now what is atomic mass? So atomic mass is the mass of the atom. Nowadays sophisticated techniques, for example mass spectroscopy, is used to determine the atomic mass of the atom. But in older days, like in early 19th century, the atomic mass was determined by calculating the mass of the atom relative to hydrogen atom by using stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is the branch of chemistry. Now, history of atomic mass. In 1803, John Dalton determined the atomic mass or atomic weight. Then atomic mass or atomic weight was originally defined as the relative to that of the lightest element, hydrogen, taken as 1. एटॉमिक मास किसी भी एटम का हाइड्रोजन एटम या एलिमेंट के रेफरेंस में तुलना करके ज्ञात किया जाता था या पता किया जाता था कि कोई भी दिया गया एटम हाइड्रोजन एटम से भार में कितना गुना है, और हाइड्रोजन के भार को, एटॉमिक वेट को स्टैंडर्ड माना गया था 1. उसके बाद after that oxygen was taken as a base as its atomic mass was 16 whole number. ऑक्सीजन को फिर उसके बाद बेस मान के एटॉमिक मास की गणना की गई. ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक मास 16 माना गया जो कि एक होल नंबर है. नाउ ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशन वेयर बेस्ड ऑन स्टिक्योमेट्री. सभी जो आंकड़े थे वो स्टिक्योमेट्री पर आधारित थे. केमिस्ट पिक्ड नेचुरली अकरिंग ऑक्सीजन. केमिस्ट ने प्राकृतिक रूप से पाए जाने वाली ऑक्सीजन जो कि ऑक्सीजन के 3 आइसोटोप का मिक्सचर था. ऑक्सीजन 16, ऑक्सीजन 17, ऑक्सीजन 18. नाउ व्हाट इज आइसोटोप? एलिमेंट हैविंग सेम एटॉमिक नंबर पर डिफरेंट मास आर कॉल्ड आइसोटोप. सो atomic mass of oxygen is 16.008. Physicists picked up carbon 12 as base based on mass spectroscopy, and the mass of one carbon atom whose atomic mass is 12 is a whole number. So from time to time there are different criteria to calculate atomic mass by scientists or physicists. Now carbon 12 was agreed to be taken as standard in 1961 because the mass of one carbon atom whose atomic mass is 12 is a whole number. The masses of the all other atoms taken relative to mass of one carbon atom whose atomic mass is 12. Now new concept, average atomic mass. Many naturally occurring elements exist as more than one isotopes. For example, carbon. Carbon whose atomic number is 6 has 3 isotopes whose atomic mass are different, and it is respectively 12, 13 and 14. So C12, C13, C14. But their percentage naturally occurring is different in nature. So when we take into account the existence of these isotopes and their relative abundance, see the table, isotope C12, C13, C14 and their relative abundance in the nature in percentage, 98.89% of naturally occurring carbon is carbon 12, 1.108% is carbon 13, and 2 into 10 raised to power minus 18 is the carbon that is carbon 14 and its relative abundance. Now atomic mass in atomic mass unit. What is the unit of atomic mass? Atomic mass unit. Now it is short and written as U, unified unit. Now so atomic mass of carbon 12 is 12, atomic mass of carbon 13 is 13.00335, and C14 carbon atomic mass in atomic mass unit is 14.00317. Now from the data given in the table, we can calculate average atomic mass of carbon atom out to be 0.98892 multiplied by 12 unified unit of C12 carbon, and into 0.01108 into 13.00335 unified unit plus 2 into 10 raised to power minus 12 into 14.00317 unified unit. So if you simplify this, you will get 12.001 unified unit. Now one more problem is given to you. Calculate the atomic mass average atomic mass of chlorine using the following data. There are 2 isotopes of chlorine. First mass of chlorine is 35 and atomic number is 17, and another chlorine whose atomic mass is 37, and their percentage of naturally occurring abundance is, the first one is 75.77 and the second one is 24.323, and their molar masses are also given to you. 34.9689 and 36.9659. So you can calculate their average atomic mass with this method. First of all, it is given to you atomic mass of first isotope is equal to 34.9689 and its natural abundance of first isotope is 75.77%, or if we remove percentage simply we'll get 0.757. Up to 3 digit of decimal we have taken. Now third one, atomic mass of second isotope. Atomic mass of second isotope is given to you is 36.9659 and its naturally occurring abundance percentage is of that isotope is 24.23, or if we remove percentage simply it becomes 0.242 divided by 100. To remove percent we will divide by 100, so we will get 0.242. Now by using formula, average atomic mass of chlorine, molar mass of chlorine whose atomic mass is 35 multiplied by its naturally occurring abundance is 0.757 plus atomic molar mass of chlorine atom whose mass is 37 and it is 36.9659 multiplied by 0.242. So and divided by 0.757 plus 0.242. So you will get the value 35.4521, and if you round off this value you will get approx 35.5. So this mass is mentioned in the periodic table. So whatever the masses of isotopes or atom are given to you or their average atomic mass. So the average atomic mass of chlorine atom is 35.5 if we round it up to one place, up to decimal.